Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about some uh, interview questions related to the Power BI. I think 15 to 20 days before I given an interview at Scatterpie Analytics. So into that there is a lot of questions they asked me, and this interview is going on 30 to 35 minutes. Into that they asked me some questions, and those are very sometimes they are logical questions asked, and sometimes they are thinking analysis will check how this will be the very beneficial, or this guy is really working or not onto that. Suppose the he's came into our company, so that type of logic they check, and I will discuss about this one by one question right now. So first question is that they walk me through our profile. You know that this question is very famous. Our first question is every interviewer with like that only. Walk me through your profile, right? Second question is how many dashboards you have developed so far. Like you can tell about that how many projects you worked in like every domain. Like sometime you worked on banking domain, finance domain. Like third one is e-commerce domain, sales domain, educational domain, or whatever you want. Like you can tell about this. Third question is describe the project development process. How is the data sourced? How do you read and process the data? How did you gather requirements and define KPIs, like the questions. This question is also very thinkable questions, you can tell them. And fourth question is what is your role in that workspace. There is a four types of roles present in the Power BI service: admin, member, contributor, or viewer, right? And this contributor role is only for those are senior peoples or senior power developers, or those are junior, we can tell that contributor, or those are outside our user or stakeholders, we can give the access to that only viewer access. And admin means like a whole process done with an own site, that is the role of that workspace. Fifth is what is a row level security. Give me the examples when we use the static row level security and dynamic row level security. And this question is related to security purpose, right? In Power BI service, we can able to give the access to the anyone, and this process are done within Power BI desktop only. There is a manage role options present in that Power BI desktop. From that we can able to give the access. Mm, there is two types of roles present in static and dynamic, and I personally used static only because I want to show the data only that limited peoples. There is 8 to 10 people, so that's why I used the static RLS. And the sixth question is, you know that suppose I have a user with a member role in my workspace, and I have applied RLS. Will RLS works for this user or not? This is also fantastic question. This is a very logical questions because those are already worked into that project. They know that all the concept related to that Power BI service. Think about it, and let me give the answers into the comment section if you want. And the seven is why do we need a master calendar while developing reports? What is the data master calendar table used with always dimension tables and not with the fact tables? This is also very logical question. You can search about in chat GPT, or like in connect with that peoples, those are very senior levels, and ask about this type of questions. Eighth question is difference between measure and calculated columns. This is very fantastic question, and you also given this answer about very logical level, and think more and more, and later give the answer. Ninth question is the difference between having clause and where clause. Or tenth question is they give me a scenario. You have sales data with two columns, category and sales. You create a measure. Measure is equal to sum of sales, right? And B is equal to calculated column. Column is equal to sum of sales. You drag both the measure and calculated column into a table, visual alongside category. What will be the output for the measure and the calculated column? Please read about this question again, and try to give the answer into the comment section also. 11th type of question is that in the same table I want to create a measure wherein I want to show the data of only a category. I have three A, B, C, D, and I just want to show the sales of category A only. Tell me the tax formula for that, right? 12th is that now if a city column is added to the same table visual, how will the output change? These two questions are related to each other. Please let us check only. What is the data verse and what is the power automate in Power BI service? like you means they check me our you worked on the Power BI automate things, or like there is advanced things into the Power BI service, and currently they are came into the market of AI, so that's why they asked me the questions. 14th question is that what is the difference between star schema and snowflake schema, and how will you know when to use which schemas respectively? Do you know that in Power BI or in data warehousing, this concept related to the data warehousing firstly, and they check about that, you know, the concept about when we use star schema and when we use snowflake schema. Do you know that there is suppose there is a very less amount of rows present in the each table, and want a very less amount of tables, so that time we use star schema. And in star schema their complexity is very less, and simply table is present, one fact table, and related to many dimension tables present. um, you know that, and the snowflake schema is a very complex city came into the picture, and into that there is a lot of tables present, we can say, and in fact table is connected with many dimension tables, and another many dimension table is connected to many dimension tables, and hierarchy is present, we can say that. That is the thing, and you know that things very much means it is compulsory for everyone. And 15th question is, while importing a data from the SQL with million of rows and a heavy table, what techniques did you use to reduce the load in Power BI? Right, you will check about this answer. What difficult challenges you faced while doing a project? This is also into your favorite question. And last one is, do you have any questions? Yeah, every interview asks this question, this type of question in the end after a completion of interview, right? And I just wanted to know, I before 8 or 10 days before I opened my YouTube channel. So if anyone not subscribe it, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if anyone have any doubts, so please ask me into the comment section.